Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Tech Palla. So here I am Palla. I'm Palla speaking. So we are going to today discuss about how to create a edge profile, a new edge profile or multiple profiles in edge, how to set the default edge profile, how to set different profiles in edge so that you can manage different edge uh, e- edge edge browsers, different edge browsers, so that you can use different profile for a different edge. So sometimes what you need is like you may be using one edge browser for one purpose and another browser for another purpose. So using this same account on both the things can be a little difficult and also problematic. So what you can do is like you can try to set a profile for each age, and then you can set a Microsoft account for that particular profile, and for another profile you can set another Microsoft account. That way you can manage both these profiles. Like that you can add multiple profiles. So this is how the Edge Microsoft Edge screen looks like. So here you can see that. So let's see what is like the version that I am using, the Microsoft Edge version. So I have updated the Microsoft Edge so that you can see the latest version. So currently I am on 136 Microsoft Edge version. So I'm updating Microsoft Edge to the latest version. Um, so we should see a new official build for this version. So since it is 136 with the minor version being 92. So let's restart Edge. So this is how we restart Edge, and update complete. So next. So we can close this, so as it is unnecessary. So we have come to 137 version with minor version being 52. So this is how the Microsoft Edge looks. The latest Microsoft version is 137. So here you can see that this I have customized my look and interface with the latest news trends. So this is the browser. So here you can see that this is one of my profiles here. This is one of my profiles here. This is a personal profile. So other profiles, if you want, you can add here. So I'm going to tell you how I'm going to add different profiles. So first of all, I have written an article based upon this edge, how to set a different edge profiles. It should be useful to go through slowly. Instead of seeing this video, we can go through necessary. I will add the video and the article also link here. So let's see that how this article looks like. So this is the article on how to manage multiple profiles in Microsoft Edge. So using Edge settings and profiles, you can manage how to do. So let's see the table of contents what I have written about. So how to select default profile. So if you have already done multiple profiles, you can directly go to this step and select the default profile. So those are the steps. And how to use automatic profile switching. That is, if you want one profile for one type of work, for office work, or one type of profile for school or a home purpose, you can set different profiles. So these are the screenshots that I have taken. So you can always go through this article when necessary. So that should help you. So let's see how to how to set a default profile in Edge. So first of all, let's see the settings here. So as you can see here, there is 3 horizontal dots here at the right corner of your Edge. So this is the most important feature here. So these 3 dots should help you. So here you can see all these settings here, all the features here. You can click on the gear icon where you can go to settings. So here on the left side, you can see different options here. So click on features. So this will show your current profile. So your current profile could be seen here. So let's go to the article once again and see what we can change here. So here I have changed settings here, and you can see that I have put multiple profile preferences. So if you can see here, this is a little changed here. when compared to the article which was written some time ago. So multiple profiles here, you can see profiles and manage account here. Uh, so sync passwords is the same. Sync is there, but passwords is missing somewhere. Passwords is a little below. So multiple profile preferences missing here. So if we click on profile preferences, so it doesn't do anything. So let's see what we can do here. We can add a profile, or there are different settings like clear browsing data, manage cookies. These are the different settings. So add a profile here. So directly can add a profile here. So this is how it is going to come here. So then you can select the your new account, that is the Microsoft account that you can add here. Then you can sign into sync data. So that is how I'm going to do. So let's say if you add a new account, okay, add a new account. So you can sign into sync data, existing data for that account. You can sync it or start with your data. So let's say if I want a blank slate for my profile, so start it like this. So you can disable this. Don't Microsoft let know your experiences. Confirm and start browsing. So you can select the theme, etc. Here tab layout. So next, get to the sites you love from your Windows taskbar. So you finish it here. So here he can see here and the profile has been created here. So here you can see that a profile 2 has been created here. But still we have not connected our account here. So one thing you can do is like sign into sync data. So here you can add new account and sign into sync data. So here you can give your Microsoft account email and Microsoft password. And if you are giving two-factor authentication, you can give it all those that. You may see pop-ups and some problems while checking it for the first time. But if you enter your email and that is the Hotmail or Outlook mail or whatever is the Microsoft account email, you should be able to sign in. That should not be a problem. Once you give this sign in here, you should see a second profile here. So you can automatically switch to this profile. So let's make this profile again. So if you want to make this profile as again, if you want to come to this profile, you will click this one. So here you can see that I will come back to my personal profile here. Your profile 2 is created here, but it is not yet signed in, as I not given the password and the username for the Microsoft account. So if you give those details, you can easily set up a new profile. So like that, so you can see that there are two edge here. One edge with one profile and another edge here. So this edge is with profile 2. So this you can set up a new account here, Microsoft account, workspace account, organization account, or your personal account. So like that, you can pin it to the taskbar. That is another useful feature where you can pin it here and you can access quickly. So this is the useful feature here. Let's see what other things we can see here. So if you can see the default profile for external links, you can go to this settings, edge settings profiles. So you can also do that, edge settings profiles. Okay, so this is already done here. Directly you can put it here, so you can go there. Then you can restart your Microsoft browser, Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, to automatic profile switching, there is automatic profile switching should show somewhere in this settings here. So let's see what we can set here. A little the settings have changed a little bit. So profile settings, what you can change here is these are the profile settings. So say let's say if we come to this window here or the new profile. So what are the profiles you can change here? Okay. So first initially you have to sign in. I'm not doing it right now because it will take some time. So next the profile preferences like automatic sign in to Microsoft Edge, default profile for so this is the link I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the profile automatic profile switching. So if you see here, default profile, last used one, or this one, or put this one, you can select it here. Allow single sign-on for work or school sites. This is one for work or school sites or organization using this profile. Allow single sign-on for Microsoft personal sites. So this is where these two are useful. Multiple profiles. One for work or school, that should be useful. This one, and one should be useful for your personal sites. That is the personal account, just like I did. This is for personal account, and this you can create it for work or school. Automatic profile switching is also mentioned here. Work or personal switching, IE mode switch. These you can see the details here. So these should be helpful. So the profile preferences. Okay. This profile preferences is this is where you can see all the settings when initially you are creating a second profile. Once you create it, once you enter the passwords and etc., then you should see the profile. Thanks for watching this video, and go through my article if necessary, and you should be able to finish it up. This is Pala signing off. Thank you. So as a final conclusion, I would like to discuss about the different edge profiles, what are meant by edge profile, and also what is creating a default edge profile in Windows 11 and Windows 10, how to create multiple profiles. So what is the different Google search engine say about these edge profiles? So let's see what is meant by edge profile. As I already mentioned, so if you see that edge profiles here, so you can see what are Microsoft edge profiles. So in this common question that is generally asked is, what are Microsoft Edge profiles? With Edge Chromium or the browser, Microsoft Edge browser that commonly comes with Windows 11, you can add multiple profiles. So profiles allow multiple users to operate in a shared environment while maintaining access to their personal browser settings, bookmarks, and extensions. So this is how the multiple profiles will help you. So creation of different profiles already mentioned there. So you can also switch different profiles, automatic switching, and also create a new profile and multiple profiles we are also discussed here. How do you change profiles in Microsoft Edge? So you can always, as I mentioned here, you can always select the settings and gear icon and select a new profile, add a new profile. Then you can change the profile name, icon, and account type. So once you add the Microsoft account, you can do that. Where are the Microsoft Edge profiles stored? So this is one important question. So like that, this is the default path that is there. Okay, that can be useful when your profile is getting problematic or so it's get corrupted. You can clear the cache. So maximum number of profiles, there is no real profile creation limit as it says in the Microsoft community. So let's see how to manage the profile settings in Microsoft Edge. So to manage different profile settings Microsoft Edge, you can always select the three dots as I mentioned on the top right corner of your Microsoft Edge browser, and navigate it to profiles on the left hand side, and you can select the profile section. Add in a new profile, you can switch between profile, manage saved information, edit or remove profiles, customize profile settings. So that thing you can do. And another some Microsoft question is sign and create Microsoft profiles in Microsoft Edge. So this article from Microsoft tells you how it's a little old article. So it continues with how to add your Microsoft account and add different passwords, etc. So next, how do you manage account settings in Microsoft Edge? How do you manage account settings? So there's account settings. You can help to display your account settings. You can use the developer settings, the same settings that are using the three dots. There you can go to the developer settings and review information about your account, links to other details, contact info, etc. Those settings also you can see. So for example, let's see developer options. Can we see here? Let's see here. So there you don't see any developer options here, but uh, somewhere that should be there. Okay. So the to display your account settings, select the gear icon in the upper corner of partner settings, select developer settings. So for example, if you say, so here you can see these settings here. Okay. So here you can see whether you can manage the account here. You can manage your Microsoft account here, as I mentioned before. So all the settings that are associated with Microsoft Edge and the Microsoft account, those can be seen here. So here you can see that Microsoft storage, how much it is there. So 3.7 GB here. Your subscriptions. So in this Microsoft account, your privacy, what are the privacy settings here? Okay. So it will ask for your fingerprint, pin, or security key, or face recognition. So all these things can be used here. One more thing is like, so this should be, you should edit your account information from the profile icon. Here you see this profile icon. Here you can set up new, you can change the settings by clicking this gear icon here on this particular profile for that particular profile. This is different from this gear icon. Okay. So these two things you can see here. And one more thing is the contact details. Okay. So what is so how to manage things? How to add new profiles from Microsoft Edge? This article comes. So now how to add new profiles is like the same thing that we have mentioned before. How to customize it? The same article we have written. There is no video here. We are making a video of it. So I mentioned it. How do you go there? And that's getting started with configuration policies. Okay, with configuration policies also, those are important for Microsoft Edge. Okay, when you have a network kind of experience or an office experience, you should be having Microsoft 365. So you may be using 365 browser over a network. So the cloud policies, Intune policies, how do you configure it? So this is for a little advanced stage for Microsoft Edge Enterprise features. So for Microsoft Edge Enterprise features, you can see here. Um, so this configuration profile is not for personal accounts, but mostly it is for enterprise versions. Coming to Edge multiple settings here. Okay, Edge profiles and Edge multiple profile settings. What are multiple profile settings? These are related to managing multiple profiles within the Edge browser. So this should be useful like that. So you can always go using this particular command and typing in the address bar here. Say for example, I copy this thing and paste in our Edge browser. So let's see what will happen. So you can directly go here or you can use these three dots always. So these are two different ways only, but it is the same thing. So next, if you can see here, adding and managing profiles, choosing a different that we have already mentioned here, and is now easier. So multiple profiles at home and work are one of the most important things that were users of Edge profile. Okay, setting up multiple profile for work and and how do you switch profile, that is also mentioned here. So this is basically what is about Edge profiles that we create in Windows 11 using the Edge browser. Hope this helps you, and please subscribe to my channel as far as you know, and go through my article if you have any doubts, or comment in the particular video. So if you have any doubts, thank you.